Whoa! Oh my god, he's live! Holy shit! Hello. Yes, I'm here. Whoa, what the fuck is going on? It's a late stream. It's late stream time. It's time to stream at night. Like the one SpongeBob clip where he's going like, I burn my hand on the stove at night. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? Anyway. Man, I gotta be honest, I do not know what it is that I'm saying half the time. Okay, so plan for the stream. I'm gonna try to figure out if I can get a second party member in the overworld, like following the player. So I'm gonna see if I can figure that out on my own. If I can't, then well, we're gonna have to tutorial it. But let's get the stream pulled up, shall we? Game Maker. There we go. Looks good. Okay. Excellent. Here we are. Lovely. I can't access Twitter right now for some reason. For some reason, Twitter has just shit the bed. Oh, there we go. Now I can. Literally the second I'm like, I'm already into the stream and now it works. Like, excellent. Okay, just gonna post that real quick since I couldn't in the time I was warming up for the G-dang stream. Who cares? Alright, let's see if I can't figure this out by myself. So what I need to do is set room test to be the one that you start in. So that we can actually test this properly. Let me make sure that no dumb shit breaks when I do this. Okay, that's instantly the wrong room. Whoops. Why is room test 2? Why did I name it that way? Why did I do that to myself? Okay, yeah. Hold on, wait, does this appear on stream? Yes, it does. Good. Good. What am I doing? I'm closing out of this because I don't need this right now. What I need is the code for this. Oh, right, I set it up to a bunch of macros. That's loud. My bad. I set it up to a bunch of macros. I should probably clean this up. Make this a little, less convoluted, because I don't think it's a good idea to have all the shit, set to macros all the time. It's probably fine. I don't really get how all this stuff works, and it's just probably incredibly inefficient, but we'll see what happens. So, what's the green? Oh, it's a variable. Okay, I see. Why did that do what it did? Why did that open in that tab instead of literally the other one where all the rest of the stuff is? Whatever, who cares? So, if instance exists, keyboard check. I'm just doing an overview of this because it's been a while. Depth equals... Okay, I'm not sure what that is, but it should be fine. Okay. Oh boy, I really need to clean this up. Yeah, I can't. What? What? Oh, you have to... What? Wait, you have to... So I just have a script with a 4-line list of macros? There has to be an easier way than this. Sprite. Okay. Jesus, okay. I can do this. I believe in myself. I probably shouldn't, but I believe in myself. I just remembered that I haven't even exported the frickin' PNG. So let me do that real quick. Drawings. Sorry, I'm looking in Aseprite real quick. Where the hell? Oh, that's right. It's in assets. I need to clean this up too. Jesus. So, I guess I'm not going to be doing that this stream. I'm just going to have to do some Aseprite shit first. Yeah, because last time I was really struggling with the hair. Imagine coding? Couldn't be me. Ugh. Hello, Caleb. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm just gonna have to switch over to a sprite. Well, do I do that now? I really don't want to do side sprites tonight, because I hate doing side sprites so much. You got your blood stolen today? Okay. When you say you got your blood stolen, does that mean you just had your blood taken as a doctor's visit, or do you mean someone actually stole your blood? Because with you, it can be hard to believe these things sometimes. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna do some some folder cleanup real quick. Give me a moment. You had your bones repossessed? So true. You're playing Red Dead 2? That's so cool. I've always wanted to play Red Dead 2. I just never got it. You large icons. Okay, so now that I've cleaned that up, I can open. Yeah, I cleaned that up. Oh, what do we want to do? I should probably just save this PNG for now, and then edit it later. Yeah, that's a good idea. So I'm gonna save file, save as over 1.png. Okay, sure, do that. I'll just fix it. Oliver, delete that. Shit. I'm screwing up, chat. I can't organize my files properly. What a travesty. Truly. Okay, so now that we've got that, I can finally come back over here and add a... I'm gonna have to clean up some of these folders too. You get to be a cowboy finally? I know, right? So true. Well, should I do it that way? Probably. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, we're gonna do some folder cleanup for a second. Create group. No, not in timelines, you stupid program. Can I not? Delete. Yes. Create. No, create group. Overworld. Should I just group everything in the overworld into a folder? That sounds smart. What? What? Oh. Okay. Didn't know that. So... characters. Overworld. Create group. And then... yes. Put you there. Sprites. Sure. I'll change that. Overworld. Okay, characters, overworld. Create group, walls. And we'll take the wall stuff and put them here. Yeah, that works. What do you think is the funniest song in Undertale? Song that might play when you fight Sans. That is the funniest song in Undertale because it is literally bait because it never plays once in the entire game. It is a Undertale soundtrack exclusive, meaning that it is an entire song composed, written, and created by Toby Fox in the style of and along with every other song in the OST that literally exists just to bait people into thinking that you can fight Sans with that song playing, and it doesn't happen. It never happens, and that's why it's the funniest song in the game, because it's not in the game. It's so genius. Tile sets. I can probably just leave that there because I don't plan on doing any tile sets in this engine. Probably just gonna do it all in Aseprite, then export them as images and set the images into the specific rooms and then create borders around them. I think that's a better process to do it by. So now we can finally characters create create group Oliver. We're gonna color this one green, obviously. Okay, create object. Then we keep with the naming scheme because that'll be helpful for me. No sprite. Create new. What is this? What? Oh, do I have to... Okay, I guess we'll just create a new sprite. Sure. Import. Here we go. Oliver. Yeah, sure. There he is. Look at little shit. Okay. I can... oh, I can 9 slice him. That's funny. We're not gonna activate that. Okay, so I guess he doesn't really need collisions because it's just an overworld thing. Name PR. How did I name these? SPR O over down. Okay, so now we add a create event. Can I open room? There we go. So if I put you here, can I drag you onto the instance layer? Okay. So why are you... Oh. Weird. Oh, you know what? You know what? I bet it's because... That's not what I wanted. I bet you it's because the offset... Yeah. Yup. That was it. It was the offset on the actual image itself. Can this be under... Whatever. I'm sure I can fix it with the layering feature in here. So if I gotta close this first of all because this workstation is getting cluttered already. Okay, so what I'm imagining we can do to have the little bastard follow the player in the overworld, I actually have no idea what I'm doing. But I'm gonna pretend like I do. Because that's the It's Connor way. Sprite right. Oh, right. It's this is like, I guess macros are stored in an array? That's so weird. Why is this why did, because I followed a tutorial, why is it like that? Create, and then a step event. So we need both of these. How could I do it such that it follows the position of another object? Because I'm wondering if there's a way that you can find the X and Y position of a certain object and then set its own position to that object's position minus... No, that wouldn't work because then it wouldn't be always behind character. I wonder how you do this. Oh, man. I don't know enough about the functions in the coding language to figure this out. Oh, that's right, because these macros set up... Yeah, I guess they do... Well, I could just do that in an array. I could achieve the same thing. I just don't have the intelligence for that just yet. I'm gonna have to rework this, because having just a random script file that's just not linked to anything is probably a very less efficient way of doing that. I could just literally set up an array and have this basically be the same thing. I'm sure that there's a way you could do that, but I'm not smart enough to figure that out right now. What I need to do is figure out how to make this follow, should play the drugstore song from Earthbound for the entire stream. Not the entire stream. I'll play it right now, but trust me, man, it gets grating really fast. Let me see. Where's buy something, Lilia? There it is. Here we go. Okay, who's texting me? Getting a message. Oh, okay. Just a club thing. How would one... Man, I'm sorry, I know I'm not doing anything right now, but I'm really struggling to figure that out. Let me see if, I'm sure there's a tutorial for it, but I really, really want to see if I can figure this out myself. Okay, accidentally hit F12. That's what happened there. It all vanished. I got scared. Exactly. Saboteur. So, I'm really struggling here, guys. So yeah, this is just for like collision stuff. Oh, as indicated by the collisions node. So, all right, screw it. I'm not smart enough. I don't know why I pretended like I was. How to have party members follow in Game Maker. Okay, Earthbound NPC follow. Here we go.
Another advanced.
Okay. Alright, just give me a minute. I'm going through a tutorial here. Player which is storing some stuff, recording, and then we have this follower here, and then what we do is just have an array with this player, having a few steps, and every time we change our X position, just stores those things, and then what we want to say, hey follower, you're on this position locked. Okay, that makes sense. So basically there will be like a train cart system, where each of the characters are a quote-unquote cart on the train. So what we're gonna do... Are you gonna get to the coding part, man? You decide how many positions we actually want to store. Let's go for 94. Is this... This doesn't seem right. No, I don't know if... There's no way. It has to be simpler than this, because this is like recording on every frame. There's no way that's how you have to do it. Oh my god. Okay, that's a bunch of jargon. No, I don't want there to be... Surely there's an easier way than setting up like 50 different arrays and events. Surely there's an easier way to do it. What? No! There's no way! Dog, there has to be a simpler way than this. I may be stupid, but I know that this isn't how you should have to do it. Okay, this is just straight up not what I'm looking for. Use a position cue. Record the player's position to a cue every frame it's moving, and then place the party member at the position from the end of the cue. Alright. I guess I'll have to do the recording method, which seems very inefficient, but I'm gonna take the internet's word for it, because I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know why I'm acting like the expert on this.
Let's go for 94. This is way too much in my opinion, because we are looping all the time and like resetting these kinds of positions. So if you're setting like 2 or 3 followers, I don't know, 20 or 30 positions are good enough. But in this...
Okay. What is a hashtag region? Why is... Okay, I guess I'll have to... Is this in a step event? Or no, it's on the create event. Party followers. Region player only create. Okay. Oh man. need an... Oh, wow, I did not spell that right. End region. Oh, okay, so this is literally just, so this is essentially a comment, the little hashtag region thing. But you can just close and open it. That's literally all that does. Okay. Connor early. Really some help from Connor end? What are you talking about, man? Makes sense.
Demonstration, you just do it.
Okay, array size equals 20, I guess. I don't know.
A little bit more. So here, first of all, we need to create an array which is storing the recent, or just storing like the x and y position. For now, we're just in the create event, so we just need to.
Oh man, what do for loops do? Shit, I don't remember. For variable I equals array size -1, I is greater, less, or equal to 0, I minus minus. What is minus minus? What does that mean? Oh, wait. Alright, I forget what a for loop does again. This works as follows. First, the assignment is executed, which assigns a value to a variable. Then the expression is evaluated, and if it is true, the statement in the curly brackets are executed. Okay, that's right. And it's, so it's like, so basically it's like, hey, for as long as I is 1 less than array size, do that. I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm doing.
To fill it up with some stuff, and that I call position x and position y. And because we run an array negatively, because we say, hey, we start with 94 minus 1, and then we run it down, and once we are below 0, then we stop the loop, and then those positions 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are being stored for now just with the current x and y position, so we fill it up. So for now, nothing really actually changes. This is just for you to know how many record positions you want to have. Now we come.
Okay. Sure. I don't know. Man, I feel real dumb. I feel real dumb sometimes because I do not understand this coding stuff. So, but you know what? I'm just gonna keep on trucking. X. No. I equals X. Position. Y. I. Is Y. Can you be yellow? Oh, right. So, oh.
X and y position, so we fill it up. So for now, nothing really actually changes. This is just for you to know how many record positions you want to have. Now we come to the more interesting part. We need to update stuff. And how can we actually update? Well, we are checking if we are moving. How can we do that? Quite easy. We're just checking, hey, is our...
What the Oh! Oh, yeah. This shit's complicated. I didn't think something as simple as having an object follow another object would be so difficult. Man, surely How to have one object follow another in GameMaker. Looking at a simple system you're using to move player object, you may just make another object follow to another object using move towards point XY speed function in the step event of the object zombie this way. Okay, so I could just do that? Well, then what the hell are we doing here? Okay, hold on. Wait, I think I'm being stupid about this. Someone may have spread misinformation on the internet to me. But this could be, like, entirely wrong. So, okay, move towards point. What does this do? This function simply tells the instance running the code to move towards a set point at a set speed. Bear in mind that it is up to you to tell what to do once it gets there, as it won't just stop by itself. This means that you can get a vibrating instance as it moves 3 pixels forward, overshoots the XY target by 2, then moves 3 pixels back again, overshooting the target, and so on. That sounds funny. There are a number of ways this can be avoided. For example, using distance to point to see how far from the specified location the instance is before moving. Okay. So, great. If point distance x is this the x variable of x? I think this just takes the x and y values that it currently is at. I'm not sure though. I could be wrong. Object Roxy X object. I think I'm smart about this. I think I'm correct in this line of thinking. Like I'm trying to set up a. No, wait. Oh shit. Oh no, I'm stupid. Hold on. No, this needs to be on the step event because the create event. I think this needs to be on step rather than create. Go to. How do I set, x equals obj proxy x, y equals object proxy y. So let's just see if this works. What? What's wrong? Unnecessary expression x uses a statement? Okay. Then is that right? Okay, okay. Cool. So now room test. I'm gonna move you over there, and we're gonna see if I did the code right. Where's the... Oh, shit. Unexpected EOF encountered. Malformed if statement. Okay, well I can fix that. So, just get rid of that. Yeah! Okay. There we go. Yes! Okay, okay. Good. If point distance, then we'll have it do the stuff in here. Oh my god, yes, that worked! That actually worked! I actually made something do what I wanted it to. Yes! Oh, this is beast mode. This is absolute beast mode. Okay. If... Okay, okay. Oh, right, I need a, if it is greater than 5, if point distance, then, move towards point, then move towards the X and Y at a speed of 2. Okay. I think that's right. I also, and then I can... Oh, shit, I almost forgot this. Else... Speed equals 0. Why is this not a part... Why... Come on. Oh, do I have to... That... I assume that's right. Oh! Oh! Oh my god, dude! Okay! Okay! Look at that! That kind of works. Jesus Christ, that's terrifying. Okay, let's up that a little bit because that's a little too close. It's not exactly what we're looking for here. No. Double that. There we go. That's beautiful. It's a little screwed up on the diagonals because technically the speed is doubled when you're moving diagonally, so I'll just have the speed set to 4. And that'll probably be fine. Oh, that is most assuredly not fine. Yeah, there's a jitteriness. Okay, maybe I'll have it set to 2 for now. I'll have it set to 2 for now. And, there we go. Holy shit, I actually did something! I'm a tactical, glowing brain genius! There's just, we've gotta fix some layering things. But we managed to figure out how to have the follow thing without resorting to 50 different arrays happening all at once, because that's not what we need right now. But that's good. We're also gonna have to figure out how to have the object call for... How do you create an object? Okay, that's the next thing that we have to do. We have to have this... Wait, where's the room code? How did I, Okay, so now what we have to do is figure out how to take the object from the previous room and call for the instance in the next room. Because right now, it stays in the same room that this instance is in. And I want to take the same instance into the next room. So how would we do that? How would we do that? Okay, let's see if we can figure this one out. So... Collisions, animate, set sprite, pause. Well, how does it... Oh, that's right, because the code that handles the switching between rooms is in the walls. It's in the walls, not these objects. That's right. I remember now. I remember. Hold on. Instance destroy. Okay. Then... So... It's just listed in a set list like this. I guess I could just... dot face. Did I set that up in the Roxy object? Yeah, I did. It's set to another macro. Shit, so if I change that, then I'm gonna have to change a lot of other stuff in the wall code. I mean, it works, so I don't really need to change it, but... I don't know, I have a feeling that it's gonna bite me in the ass. Just got one of those funky feelings. Well, it doesn't particularly matter right now. It should be fine. Let's just copy these two. And then object, oh, whoopsie. Object Oliver. And we can just kind of do that. And it should achieve the effect I'm going for. If it doesn't, I'm a little boned. Oh! Oh, I got an error message. That ain't right. Okay. Unable to find any instance for object index 2. Name object Oliver. Okay. Why did that happen? That's so weird. Why did that happen? Because there's no instance of the Roxanne object in this one either. It handles it just fine. It's so weird. Is it this one? I have no idea what I'm looking at. Why did that happen? Because I don't want to have to manually put a tile of the object in every single room. That seems counterintuitive, but why did I get an error message? For object warp, unable to find any instance. For object index 2. Well, so would that fix it? Weird. Strange. Strange, isn't it? So how could I... Can you move instances from one room to another game maker? Moving object instances from one room to another during runtime requires that object to be persistent. Oh, okay. So there's a checkbox that I haven't ticked for this guy. Somewhere. There it is. Yep. Got it. Okay, it should work now. Never mind. I don't understand. I don't get it. Does he know? Is he stupid? Is it because I didn't have these? Unable to find any instance for object index 2. Name object Oliver. Why did that happen? Did I really toggle it to be persistent? Oh, I didn't. Well, then what the hell did I make persistent? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That ain't good. It's fine. Surely it'll be fine. There we go. I fixed it. Don't worry, guys. It's fine. Okay, now I just gotta figure out how to make him at the right depth at all times. Do I set up a collision code or something else? Well, I definitely think he should follow at a little bit of a slower, at a bit of a further rate behind. It's still a little closer than I would like. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Just how do I make him appear over top? I guess I could tie it to what sprite is facing, or what keyboard press is occurring. That could work. Imagine making video games? Couldn't be me. You kidding me? Also, hi, Moon! Who are you? I am currently rotting because I have no clue what the hell I'm doing. Set depth. So... I could have a giant if-else statement, but I don't want to do that. How could I set the depth of this? It's like 5 a.m. Dude, go to sleep. Get some rest. You don't watch my stream. Go to bed. What are you talking about? Go to sleep, my dude. So, if I tie it to... I don't think that's right. I'm sure I could set up a collision, but video games got me there. That's a fair point. How would I set the depth to change depending on whether that happens or not? How would I do this? How would I set the depth? Well, the game is constantly checking for what sprite Roxanne is always facing, so I could set it up depending on her sprite, or I could set it up depending on a collision, which is probably smarter. And I think what I will do, because you can set collisions for the sprites, which is good for these kinds of situations. You set it to manual. And do like that. Then I could have it set up so where if it's sensing a collision with the collision of Roxanne's sprite and facing a specific direction, then it sets a, then it sets its, what's the word I'm looking for? It sets its depth somewhere. The stream for me is blurry and I'm looking at the character in green and it makes me think of an AU human version of Sans. Man, I don't know what to say to that. That's a wild statement. Because this guy could not be any less like Sans. So... I can figure this out. Cool. this all in the creation code? No, it's not. Is it just all in the Roxanne object? Wow. Yeah, it totally is. Okay. Yeah, this guy's like a hands. True. Wet fart. Duck. If, oh shit. If place meet, oh no. Meeting. How does this work? With this function, you can check a position for a collision with another instance or all instances of an object using the collision mask of the instance that runs the code for the check. Place meeting XY object. Okay. I remember someone made an add-on for GameMaker which lets you playtest while working on the code and adding stuff at the same time. That sounds baller as fuck. But I am not technically knowledgeable enough to know how to do that, or to download it, so. That sounds sick. So, okay, it's... So yeah, you need an X, Y, object, Roxanne, if this equals true. Yeah, I know. I need to set up the proper syntax for the if statement. I got it. Your Dreamcast doesn't work? Didn't you just get it? Oh, but this is that. Which reminds me, this is an incredibly inopportune moment to bring this up. But I did get accepted into YouTube's partner program, so now people in chat can send me money, and I will be. My plan is to have some more interactive streams, where and set up some emotes and stuff. I have some stuff ready to go, but I haven't finished. There's some logistical stuff I need to set up before I can get it all working, but that's really exciting. Now we can do more interactive streams, and I'm really excited for that. Yes, but I can return it? Damn. Yeah, I'm sorry that it's broken, man. That really sucks. Money? So true. So true, bros. So yeah, soon you will be able to have the reality of paying me for silly little emotes. Might be able to donate next stream. Don't feel pressured to. I'm just bringing this up for awareness. If you are feeling generous, I very much appreciate it. But do not feel obligated to in any way. I want to make that very clear. I'm going to bed now. Good luck having the hardest time of your life making a video game. Thank you very much. Good night, Moon. Have a good night, my man. Now, what was I doing? If equals true. Depth equals obj plus 1 equals true, and sprite index and object and sprite What's sprite index again? Is the index of the current sprite for the instance. -1 if it has no sprite associated with. Oh, okay, okay. Equals. Bro, you're in stream? Yeah, dude. Currently shitting my pants trying to figure this gaming stuff out. Equals SPR R over up depth else depth equals proxy -1. Oh shit, wait, I fucked this up. Depth of object proxy. Oh, wait, that's wrong. Wait, is it? Why is this a variable now? Depth of object. What? Oh, wait, no, I do have it wrong. Oopsie. I ordered it wrong. My bad. J. Depth. Yo man, what's good? Depth equals depth. Nope, wrong order again. Keep thinking like depth of object. Let's see if I'm right about this at all, or if I'm just a... Okay, oh my god, wow, that... This works almost amazingly well. Okay, yeah, no, that works, like, super well. It's just, it's a little finicky. Yeah, I have the right theory crafting approach. I just need to tweak it a little bit. Oh, and with the game, do they have a talk? Nah, you can't delete that. I saw it. With the game, do they have a Banjo-Kazooie talk sound effect? That's the goal. Like, that's the plan, is to have little text blips that, like Undertale or something. But I have no idea how to do that just yet. Hello? Hi. What's good? Welcome to the chat. Yeah. They'll ideally, I'll be able to figure out how to give them their own unique sound. Be like an Undertale situation, but you know, I gotta figure out how to make a text box first and figure out the depth order of this. Maybe actually, you know what? So if I... Oh man, I'm really trying to figure this out. I want to have it tied to the... Because, like, the idea is to have it, depending on which position, like, which sprite, like which way the character of Roxy is facing, then the depth will change for the other characters, but... How would you do it? How would you do it? I don't know. I'll have to tinker with this a little bit. But it'll have to wait, because that looks about to be all the time I have for this stream. I know it was very short. I know it was a very short stream, and I didn't get a whole lot done, but I did start this stream pretty late. I just wanted to do a little bit of streaming tonight. But thank you all for coming out. It was great to see you guys. Thank you for watching. More content coming soon. I realize I kind of had a realization recently that I still need to do the 1K Q&A video, which is so old at this point. But a lot of stuff happened with that, and the scope of it got blown way out of proportion. It didn't end up working out. So I'll have to. That is still coming. So be on the lookout for that, and more videos are on the way. I just haven't had a whole lot of time to record and stuff. But I know. I'm sorry. I know this was a very short stream, but thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for Minecraft Mondays coming back at you, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.